Let's create a VHS Rewind effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. This effect works great for adding a retro touch to your video. I'll show you how to do it step by step. First, decide if you're working with a single clip or multiple clips. For one clip, hold the Alt key on Windows or Option key on Mac, then drag the clip to the right to duplicate it. If you're working with multiple clips, select them all, duplicate, and move the copies to the right. Next, select the duplicated clips. Right-click and choose Nest, then click OK. This combines the clips into a single layer, making it easier to work with. With the nested layer selected, right-click and select Speed and Duration. Here, enable the reverse speed option and adjust the speed to your preference. A higher value creates a faster rewind effect. To add a distorted VHS look, go to the Effects panel and search for Lens Distortion. Drag it onto your nested layer. In Effect Controls, set the curvature to around -50. Now, let's add a classic rewind overlay. Download a VHS overlay file and place it above your nested layer in the timeline. To remove the black background from the overlay, go back to Effects Controls and change the blend mode to screen. At this point, your video will have a complete VHS rewind effect. Adjust any settings as needed to match your project's style. That's it. You now know how to create a retro VHS rewind effect in Premiere Pro. Thanks for watching.